Hello students, hope you are doing well in this pandemic situation. I am making this video to give you a heads up about how we are going to have the online classes this time. Last time, whoever have done my classes, you know that last time I have used Google Classroom to conduct the classes, uh, and I also used the Cisco WebEx, right, to have the online sessions. Uh, Using the Cisco WebEx, I recorded the sessions and later on I upload the recordings in the YouTube and I shared the links with you so that you can see it in a later time. Along with that, we have weekend quizzes every week to see your progress during the semester, right? And based on the marks you get in the weekend quizzes, we I submitted your marks in the Makeout portal. So this time I am planning to hold the class in a different way. In place of Google Classroom, I am going to use Canvas instructure this time, as I have already informed you. Uh, in this Canvas instructure, in place of having online sessions, I will have pre-recorded lecture videos. Okay, and that pre-recorded lecture videos will be an interactive one. What does it mean is that it will have questions inside the videos. So I think by this time you have got the idea how it is going to be, because this video is itself is going to be an interactive video. Okay, so you will have questions inside the video. So when it is running, it will ask you some questions at some point of time and you have to answer those questions. This will ensure that you are properly listening and understanding the concept that is being taught. Okay, so you have to answer all the questions in a video, and then you have to submit those answers. Okay, so I will show you how it going to look like. And moreover, so this time we will not have the weekend quizzes like we have in the last time. Okay, uh, the answer that will be recorded in the video will be evaluated for your quizzes, and whenever there will be a requirement for uploading the marks in the university portal, I will take a quiz on the topics that is being covered at that point of time. Okay, so this time no regular weekend quiz, rather we'll have the interactive videos where you have to answer the questions inside the videos only. Okay, and you have to submit the files. So uh, so let me show you the canvas instructor. How so if you log in the canvas in your course, so you will have something a screen which is similar to this one. Okay, so you'll have like home, modules, syllabus, course outcome, etc. So you can check later. So what I'm trying to tell you is that you can find the course materials in the modules. Okay, so if you click on the modules, you can see that the materials are over here. So I will give you I generally take classes with PPTs, right? So I'll share those PPTs with you. I'll share the videos with you, like that. So so I will so videos will be in this HTML format. Okay, so if you click on this, uh, a page will be open in the Canvas website itself, which will load the video player, and there you will be able to play the video. Okay, so once it is loaded, uh, just give us some time for it to be loaded. Okay, okay, by the time it loads, so what I found is that inside the canvassing structure, this view of the video is not coming in the full resolution. Okay, so I can explain you better once it is loaded. Yeah, so the video player is being loaded. Now you can see that if you play the video, I mean the video is within this area, and which you have to scroll to see the whole screen of the video, right? I mean it is not coming in the full resolution. Moreover, the full screen option is not there. This is because the the developer of the canvas has not done it dynamically. They have it fixed height of this area. Okay, so that is the problem. So what you can do, you can uh, to have a better view of the video, you can download this video or download this HTML file rather by clicking on this link over here. Okay, download this one. So it will be downloaded. By the time it gets downloaded, let me explain you why I have written the name like w1.l1.p1. So this time, so w1 actually means week 1. Okay, l1 stands for lecture 1 and p1 stands for part 1. So last time I have taken long classes, right? I mean classes of 1 hours, 2 hours, probably 3 hours as well. So this time I am planning to have a lecture in separate in smaller parts. Okay, so that you have the patience to listen it carefully, and you can see the parts based on your available time. Okay, so you will have the freedom of selecting your times. Okay, so this w1.l1.p1 denotes that only week 1, lecture 1 and part 1. Okay, so once it is downloaded, like over you can see it is downloaded, you can click on it. So if you click it, it is now loaded. Okay, so you can see in this video that it is coming in the full resolution. Okay, not only that, you will also have the option of full screen view. Okay, so you can play the video, it will start playing over it. Okay, so this is how we will play the videos, and once you are going through these videos, once you completed seeing the videos and answered all the question, you will have a screen like that. Okay, where you will have the summary of whatever you have answered. So like at 5 minutes 30 seconds there is a question like on ID selection, and on 27 minutes there is a question on fastest, like that, and your score over there. So this is a summary and you have to submit that. Okay, so once you click submit, your answers will be submitted. Okay, and then what you have to do, once you submit that video, don't just close this window. You have to download a file by clicking on this download. Okay, so if you click on this download button, it will ask your roll number and name. Okay, so provide your roll number and name. Okay, and then click OK. So it will then download a file named w1.l1.p1 or week number dot lecture number dot part number dash your roll number dash your name. Okay, dot lumi. So that is a lumi file. Okay, so it will be downloaded. So what you have to do next is you have to submit this lumi file in the Google Canvas. Sorry, in the Canvas structure assignment. So for each of the videos, so if I come to home, so you will find that there will be some assignment creators. Okay, so I haven't planned it yet, so I may give you the option of I may create one assignment for each of the videos, each of the parts of the videos, or I may create one assignment per week where you have to upload all the lumi files over there. Okay, so probably the second option will be a better one for management. Probably I am going to do that, but if not, then I'll be creating one assignment for each of the videos that is being uploaded over here. Okay, so all the assignments that you have to do will be listed over here. Otherwise you can come to the modules and you can check if any assignments is there or not. So this is the assignment lumi upload. So once you click on it, so you can see the details of the assignment, like what is the due time, if any point is assigned, how you have to do it, like submitting you have to upload a files which is basically lumi files, and you will have only one attempt for submitting all of this. Okay, so don't miss anything. So what you have to do, you have to click on the start assignment. okay, and then you have to choose the file. So you click on the choose file and then choose the file like w1.l1.p1 and then the Lumi. Okay, so then click open. And if I don't create an assignment for each of the videos, rather if I create a single assignment for a single week, then you have to add another file and choose the Lumi files. Like that you have to do in that way. Okay, so once you have done that, you have to click on the submit assignment, which will then be submitted to me, to this Canvas platform. So this is how we are going to do. One more thing is, during the videos, when you are seeing the videos, you might have some doubt. What you can do, you can always what can I say is comment on the videos, or I'll create a discussion page where you can ask the questions, or you can click over here. Okay, a link is given that will open the mail, and you can, if your mail is configured, and then you can ask the query by sending me a mail. And moreover, each week I will conduct a session, uh, online session with you, where you will clarify your doubts. Okay, so the thing will be like, I will be uploading all the videos for a week at the start of the week, and like say Sunday or Monday, or and at the end of the week, like say Friday or Saturday, I will have a doubt clearing sessions with you, where you can ask your questions, and I may briefly discuss the whatever we have done in that in this week. Okay, so this is how we are going to have the classes this time. So to have a brief, this time we are going to use Canvas instructor in place of Google Classroom, and we'll have pre-recorded interactive videos. In that interactive videos, we will have questions. You have to answer those questions, and that will ensure that you are listening properly, you are understanding the concepts, and that will also help me to grade you for your quiz part. For the Macaut marks upload part, we'll have quiz on the topics that we have covered at that point of time, and along with the marks on this interactive video and the quiz, your marks will be uploaded. Okay, so you have to complete, I mean, once you complete a video, you have to click on the submit button in this screen, and then you have to download the Lumi file by clicking on this button, and after you have downloaded that Lumi file, you have to upload it in the respective assignment. Okay, in the Canvas instructor. So this is for today. We'll I will upload the videos soon, and see you soon. Okay, bye.